Hello and welcome back to Journey on the Trail. Today we're at Desonier State Nature Preserve in Coolville, Ohio. We've been here quite a few times, but we heard late last year they did some changes to the trail here, so we're excited to check them out and see what the place has got now.
Yeah!
All right, let's check it out. What do you think, Savannah?
I like the creek.
Yeah, it's awesome. Okay, let's hit it. Trails are blazed in orange. We're gonna go this way.
The hill way. There's the bridge we were on.
Yeah. So we're gonna go clockwise, right, Savannah?
Yeah. It looks like somebody's pet has been here.
Yep, I'd say so.
But there's not allowed to be pets here.
There's pets allowed here.
It said no pets allowed.
Oh, oops. I'd say you're right then. Somebody broke the rules. So far, we're really enjoying this Oak Ridge Trail. It's beautiful, and it's a lot different than what was here before. And it doesn't even look like the old trail that we have been doing the last few years we've been out here. I don't think it's even open anymore, which is probably for the best. It was getting pretty eroded. So all these trees are blazed with a bright orange, and just really nice.
Hi, everybody.
So the Oak Ridge Trail, we're at a little junction here with a little creek crossing. The Oak Ridge Trail, the orange blazes go that way, but up here is an extra loop, and it's blue blazed. So we're going to take that direction, so straight ahead.
Ate it.
Good job.
That was a big jump. I get the camera that's the old camera. How?
Ooh, look at this up ahead here, Savannah.
Wow. That's neat. And we get to go down it.
We do.
That's neat.
That is awesome.
I love this cave.
This new trail is awesome.
I love it.
Wow. Isn't this amazing, Savannah?
Yeah.
What do you like about it the most?
This cave with all the ice.
Yeah, this trail is awesome. Wow. I mean, we liked coming out here before, but this is a game changer. I mean, look at this.
It could be a video game.
I mean, look at that. That is just awesome. So awesome.
Show them over there.
I did.
Did you show them over here?
Not yet. Very cool. Across the creek. Stretch too far. You use one stick, I think you're there. You go.
I made it.
It's pretty neat. They marked all the old trail with these signs, not a trail. That's where we came from in our video that we did a couple years ago.
Bird poop.
I cannot believe this, but this gal just had a bird poop on her water bottle. I don't know if I've ever seen that before.
This is the
we are. We're leaving the blue trail.
We're in the stick.
Yep. Going back on the orange trail. Savannah remembered which way to go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Savannah's eating trail s'mores.
Here.
Thank you. Did this fall on the ground?
No,
Oh,
it didn't.
I'm just joking. Thank you. This is where we used to come off. There's an old bridge over there. That would cross the creek, and you come right through here. They closed all that off now. So we ended up at finishing at 2.66 miles. I'll show you this map here that's in this little shelter. So there's the parking area. Came up and we went clockwise here.
And then we went down.
Yeah, we did the blue trail. We came across the blue trails where the waterfall was, the little cave area.
That we showed you.
Yep. And come back down, and then the orange trail. It's all part of the Oak Ridge Trail.
There's more orange than blue.
Yep. But if you wanted to cut it short, you could cut here. But I wouldn't recommend it because that cave and waterfall is really worth checking out, wasn't it, Savannah?
Yes.
All right, Savannah, what'd you think of the trail?
Good.
Good times.
We saw the good cave.
Yeah. Pretty good day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This preserve, this trail reroute, I cannot recommend it enough. I've said it a couple times in this video, but definitely recommend coming out here and checking it out. And as always, thanks for joining Journey on the Trail. We'll catch you later. Bye.
Bye.